In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create free mockups for designers for Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the frame you want to showcase is tidy and named clearly, since you'll be selecting it inside the plugin in just a moment. With your file open, right-click anywhere on the canvas to open the context menu. Hover over Plugins, then choose Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Mockup plugin. When you see it, open the plugin so it appears as a panel alongside your canvas. Inside the Mockup plugin, you'll find a gallery of ready-made templates, including smartphones, laptops, and even poster face-style frames. This gallery is where the magic happens, because it applies your design into realistic scenes in just a couple of clicks. To keep everything free, use the filter to show only free options. Then choose a device type like a phone or a laptop. Pick a mockup that matches the look you are going for. Clean, minimal scenes often work best for portfolios and presentations. Next, in the plugin interface, select the UI frame from your current Figma file that you want to place into the mockup. Double-check that you are selecting the exact frame, not a nested group or a single layer, so the proportions stay accurate. Now click the plus button in the plugin to place your design into the chosen mockup. You'll be prompted to adjust the crop. This is where you can nudge the visible area to ensure navigation bars, key buttons, and top content are perfectly centered. After that, choose the width to control the scale of your design inside the device frame. When it looks right, click Paste, and the plugin will insert your design into the mockup on your canvas. Take a moment to resize or fine-tune the placement if needed. If the mockup comes in as a group or frame, you can scale it evenly while holding Shift to maintain proportions. When you are happy with the result, it's time to export. Select the final mockup frame. Go to the Export section in the right-hand sidebar. Click the plus icon and choose PNG or JPG. PNG is great for crisp edges and transparent backgrounds, while JPG is ideal for smaller file sizes. Set your scale, then click Export to save your mockup. That's it. Thanks for watching.